this is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep on getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. Friends, this is going to be a July 2020 prediction. Let's see what's in cards for you guys. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2020. Friends, as you are aware, this is a sun sign based reading. That is, you have to consider your date of birth to know the sign that you belong to. Also, please note that this is a general reading, so I will be mentioning multiple situations in this reading because there are many people, like there are many thousands and crores of people who fall under same sun sign and who are going through different stages in their life cycle. So I am going to mention the messages for different people. So pick and choose the advice that aligns to you most. So let's quickly start with the reading of Geminis for July 2020. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have action card in the reverse position in your energy oracle segment. So this card in the reverse position signifies that in the coming month, will be less action oriented. So if you were planning some movement, either in terms of change in the location, moving from geographies or location, change in the movement from one job to another, or maybe one relationship to another, it is going to be delayed because the action which you were planning to do or conduct in the coming month, it is going to be delayed since we see this energy blocked over here. Now let's see a little more detailed version of this, whether it is going to happen in each segment of your life or few segment or one of the segment. Let's try to understand that. We'll start with your relationship card. In relationship, we have 3 of Pentacles in the upright position, which says that you will be able to showcase your emotions, your feeling, your love to the loved ones, as well as you'll be connecting with your friends and family and near and dear ones, and you'll be socializing. Now, by socializing during the lockdown period, I don't mean actually meeting people by going to their home or making or doing a party together, but I mean that you will be connecting with them. So you will be either talking to them on a virtual platform, or you will be writing to them, you will be video conferencing with them. In short, you will be trying to network with your friends, near and dear ones, social circle. If you are in a marriage setup or if you're in a partnership or a dating setup, you will be showcasing your emotions and feelings to your partner. Not only to your partner, but you will be accepting your relationship in front of people, appreciating it, taking care of it, pampering it, nurturing it, and feeding it with lot of love, care and warmth. So people will also be accepting your relationship and appreciating the love and warmth that you're offering to them as well as to the relationships. Overall relationship segment looks good. It looks that you will enjoy a good time with your friends, family and your spouse and near and dear ones. All you need to do is connect with yourself. The message for you over here is silence. While you're connecting with others, the message is don't lose the connect with yourself. Spend time with yourself in silence. Try to connect with your inner self and be in touch with yourself so that you don't miss on the path or miss on yourself while connecting with others. So just try to keep the balance in that. Otherwise, the relationship is looking good. Coming to your career is showing networking again. Maybe you are getting connected to someone from the past. So some either a colleague or a boss or a senior or some industry expert from the past is going to reconnect with you, and they are going to offer you some opportunity, or they are going to offer you some appreciation, some accolade, which is going to make you feel better about whatever you have done in your career till date. So you are going to get appreciated, awarded, rewarded and respected by people from the past relationships that you have been carrying in your career front, business front, or job front, or for that matter education front. Your old teachers might just connect with you, meet you, and make you feel better. Old friends might meet you and make you feel better in terms of what you have achieved in your career, in terms of what you have achieved in your skill set. Your old bosses might just ring you and make you feel better, that oh my god, you did really well till now, and I really enjoyed working with you. Those kind of situations I can see over here. You will be appreciated for your work even in the current scenario, like though you might be considered for upgradation or appreciation or promotion or reward kind of a situation in the current setup also, and somebody from the past is going to give you a reference for that. So overall it's looking a good and a pleasant time from a career front, where you are enjoying the fruits of your past effort, from the past relationships which you have built on, past work that you have done, and all thing new and prospective is possible. Just take care that you are going with the flow. Just don't doubt the goodness that is coming your way, because somewhere you have reaped it in the past and that is coming your way. So just go with the flow, and in time you will know why you are being so blessed or appreciated or taken care of. Coming to your finances, we can see two of cups in the upright position, which says that you will be in a good financial situation. You will be able to plan your finances well. There will be a good partner who is going to plan some investments with you. So if at all you are in the business segment, there is a possibility that somebody might want to invest in your business. So at the same time, intuition will be very high, so you'll be able to plan your financial growth for future. You will get good advice, good consultancy on that front also. So overall financial card is also very strong. Conditioning is the message for you. So condition yourself, think big. You will be able to achieve big and greater heights. Just be realistic while you're thinking big, but thinking big is very positive as on date, what we can see in your cards. Coming to your health, friends, we have Four of Wands but in a reverse position. So I think somewhere the action is missing over here. There is a blockage in your health segment where we can see that you're not in a control of your health. There is an imbalance. You're feeling lack of energy, low support in terms of psychological makeup. You're feeling very depressed or very stressed for some reason. Maybe you're doubting that your health is not going really well, or if it is going well, somewhere inside things are not feeling right for you, or maybe you are too stressed about the situation that is prevailing around us. So here the message for you is trust the universal energy and go with the flow. Jump into taking care of your health. Jump into a healthy health regime, so that your health is taken care of. And other cards are looking quite good, so don't get into inaction because you are blessed on the other front. Because if you misuse the goodness or the good things that are happening to you, and in turn harm your health, ultimately if health drops, things might get bad. So just take care of your health. Pull on with your socks and just start with your health regime. Inner as well as outer health you have to work on. The chakra advice card is advising you for developing inner strength. You already have a huge inner strength within you. Develop it further and make yourself so strong that any wind can't blow you out. So just take care of your health and strengthen your inner strength. The summary for the month is Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune card is suggesting that it is going to teach you some karmic lessons. So you are going to learn some karmic lessons from the people whom you have invested your time, emotions and money in since quite some time now. People are going to teach you a lot, positive as well as negative, but that will be for your good and positive growth. So be open to learning from people, situations, from circumstances or events that are expected to happen in your life in the coming month. Be positive and accept the learning and move on in life, because this is a learning which is meant to make you stronger from from within as well as from outside. So I really hope, Geminis, this reading helped you guys a very good. I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading and you will try to utilize it to plan your coming month. This is a general reading, so if you are looking for any personal session, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook also, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook page and my YouTube channel, of course. And help me help you by sharing your queries. If at all you are looking for any reading, you can connect with me there. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family, because they can also get benefit out of these, as these are free readings. Also, don't forget to comment on my videos. I look forward to your comments. They help me to get your feedback as well as your suggestions. I really hope this reading helps you to plan the coming month. A very good luck.